Hello, welcome to ND classes. Today's class we are discussing about the dental formula, human dental formula. In my previous video lecture, I discussed about the number of teeth that human beings having according to the age group that I discussed, and how many teeth the adult having, how many teeth adolescents having, and how many teeth the children having, that we discussed in our past class. So how many teeth are diphyodont and how many teeth are monophyodont we discussed, and today that dental formula is what? What is this dental formula? Formula is seeing for the teeth. The formula that we are seeing for teeth, another name for teeth is what? Dent or don't. So because of that only the formula we call it as dental formula. According to the age group, we have child, children there is a presence, and along with that adolescents, and as well as there is a presence of adult human beings according to the age group. Those who are below 10 years, those who are above 10 years and below 21 years, and those who are above 21 years, we call them as adults. Yes, how many number of teeth that the child having? 20 number of teeth. Then what is the formula? And how many number of teeth that adolescents having? 28 number of teeth it is having. And adult having how many number of teeth? Adult contains 32 number of teeth. So the number of teeth in a different age group is different. Because of that only, obviously the dental formula is also different. Yes, what is the dental formula for child? The dental formula for child is 2102. Incisor type, canine type, premolars and molars. Next one, dental formula for adolescents is 2122. Yes, 2122 is the dental formula for adolescents. Then what is the dental formula for adult? The dental formula for adult is 2123. This is the dental formula for adult. So sir, number of teeth is various, so dental formula is various. How can we identify this dental formula, sir? How to remember this dental formula? As of I told these are the first type of teeth which call them as incisors, and these are second type of teeth canine, and these are third type of teeth premolars, and these are the fourth type of teeth which we call them as molars. So why? Because we are having four different teeth, we are heterodont. We are heterodont dentition. We discussed that human beings are heterodont, and human beings are diphyodont. Because we will get the time in the lifespan, we will get the teeth 2 times, and human beings are thecodont. Why? Because our teeth are present inside of the socket. What is the meaning of dont? Dot that indicates teeth. Hetero, different teeth. Di, 2 times we are getting. Theco means socket. This we discussed in the past lecture. Today this completely focus on this dental formula. Fine. Now remember, we have the 2 jaws. The teeth are present in jaw. This is the upper jaw and this is the lower jaw. The dental formula what we represented one by one. For child dental formula, let's discuss. The jaw is upper jaw and this is the lower jaw. And teeth, upper teeth are present in this surface and lower jaw teeth are present in this surface. So to see those teeth and to count those teeth, we have to split the jaw into like this. So this is upper jaw and this is lower jaw. So completely splitting the upper jaw and lower jaw. Whenever we splitted those jaws, how can we see this? So just you remember, this is the upper jaw. It is the upper jaw. I am telling about the child's. This is the upper jaw. Yeah, it is upper jaw, and it is the lower jaw. This is the children. I am talking about children. Yet children contain how many number of teeth? 20. What is the formula? 2102. Now, this is upper jaw and this is lower jaw, where after splitting the jaws. So let's divide this upper jaw into 2 parts. Yes, like this we divided. So now let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 4 parts. Why? Because this is the horizontal and it is vertical line. It is upper jaw and lower jaw. Half. Now once again we divided those halves. So now what is this? This is 1 by 4th of upper jaw, and this is 1 by 4th of upper jaw, and this is 1 by 4th of lower jaw, and this is 1 by 4 of lower jaw. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, 1 by 2. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 1. In this manner, we have to split the jaw into 1 by 4, 1/4 jaw. This is the 1/4. The dental formula that we are representing, that is only for 1/4 jaw. 1/4 jaw. So let's discuss. What is the dental formula for child? 2102. So 2102. This is the dental formula. Yeah, this 2 indicates what? Incisors. These 2 indicates incisor. Yeah, these are incisor type of teeth. And the next one. This 1 indicates what type of teeth? Yes, it is the canine teeth. And the 0 indicates what? Premolars. In child, premolars are absent. There is no teeth. And after that, M indicates what? Molar. Means how many teeth are there? How many molar teeth? 2 molar teeth are present. Like this. Like this. So this is the formula that we read. 2102. Now same like that only, this 1 by 4 also having the same formula. Yes, what will be the formula? 2102. Incisors, canines, premolars and molars. So let's represent here. How many incisors this side? 2 incisors. Then how many canines here? Yes, the number of canines are 1 here. And how many premolars? 0. And then how many molars? 2. 1, 2. First molar and second molar. This is called as first molar and it is the second molar. So this is the teeth, that arrangement in upper jaw. So in lower jaw also same arrangement, yeah, same formula. What is the formula? 2102. Same this side also, 2102. So now let's represent this. These 2 teeth are what teeth? Incisors. These 2 are what teeth? Incisors. And next, after incisors what? Canines. Yes, here there is a presence of canine number 1 and this side canine number 1. Premolars are absent. After premolars, what is present? After premolars, there is a presence of first molar and second molar. Here, first molar and second molar. This is the teeth. These are the teeth. See, the formula that is represented only for 1 by 4. Now, how to remember this? Simply you remember that 2102 is the dental formula for child. So divide into how many parts? One jaw is divided how many parts? 4 parts. So simply you multiply it with 4. You multiply it with 4. So you know this is incisor, this is canine, this is premolar and this is molar. So now you count, now you multiply. 4 2s are 8. So total number of incisors. So total number of incisor is child how many? 8. In this 8, 4 is present in upper jaw and 4 is present in lower jaw. Next, multiply. 4 ones are 4. Yes, these 4 are what? Canines. How many canines in child? 4. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 canines are in upper jaw and 2 canines are in the lower jaw. Next, 4 zeros, 0. Premolars are absent. See, all premolars are absent. And 4 twos are 8. Yes, these 8 are what? Molars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the dental formula for child and this is the diagram of upper jaw and lower jaw, which is splitted. After opening, you will see the teeth like this. Like this. Simple thing is 2102 you have to multiply it with 4. Why you have to multiply it with 4 means you splitted the jaw into 4 parts. Next, we go for the adolescents. Yeah, adolescents contain how many number of teeth? Adolescents contain 28 teeth. Same. Everything is the same. Just you split. This is the upper jaw. This is the upper jaw and this is the lower jaw of adolescents, which contain 28 teeth. Now if you count down here, 8 plus 4 how much? 12. 12 plus 0, 0. 12 plus 8 how much? 20. So number of teeth in the child how many? 20. Simple logic. Now come to the adolescents. Yes, this is the upper jaw and this is the lower jaw. So split the jaw into 4 parts. Yes, we are splitting the jaw into 4 parts. Write down the formula for 1 by 4. What is the formula for adolescents? 2, 1, 2, 2. This is the formula for adolescents. Same like that only. This side also 2, 1, 2, 2. Incisor, canine, premolar, molar. Incisor, canine, premolar, molar. Same like that only. 2, 1, 2, 2. Same. 2, 1, 2, 2. Yes. Now represent the teeth. What are the first type of teeth? Incisors. 1, 2. Here also, this side also 1, 2. 4 incisors on upper jaw. Next here, 4 incisors in the lower jaw. Next, after incisors what? Canine. How many canine in here? 1. How many canine here? 1. How many canine here? 1. How many canine here? 1. After canine what? Premolars. How many premolars are present? 2 premolars in this. 1, 2. And here also 1, 2. And here also 1, 2. 2 premolars and 2 premolars. After premolars what? Molars. Yes, how many molars in 1 by 4? 2 molars. 2 molars. Molar, first molar and second molar. 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 This is the dental formula for adolescents. The person who are watching this video, this is your dental formula, and this is the arrangement of your teeth. Arrangement of your teeth. So what you have to do? Simply multiplication. How many number of teeth that are present? Means simply you can calculate. Write down your formula 2, 1, 2, 2. Into what? 4. Why? Because 4 parts. Na? Incisors, canines, premolars, molar. 4 2s are 8 incisors. 8 incisors. Next 4 1s are 4. 4 canines. Next 4 2s are 8. 8 premolars. And 4 2s are 8. 8 is what? Molar. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. 20 plus 8, 28 teeth that is having. In this 28 teeth, 14 are present in upper jaw, 14 are present in lower jaw. So the difference between the number of teeth in a child and adolescence is how much? 8 teeth. Why? Because child contain 20 teeth and adolescents contain 28 teeth. Difference how much? 8. Those 8 teeth are what teeth? Yes, here teeth is absent. Which teeth is absent? Premolar. Here teeth is present. What teeth? Premolar. So the premolars which are absent in a child, those premolars will be present in the adolescents. This is the dental formula for adolescents. And after adolescents, who is that? Adult. Adult contain how many number of teeth? 32. So dental formula for adult is what? 2, 1, 2, 3. Let's make the jaw for the adult. Yes, adult jaw. This is the upper jaw and this is the lower jaw of adult organism. Those who crossed 21 years, for example, your parents, or me, those who crossed 21 years, this is the upper jaw and lower jaw. So split the upper jaw and lower jaw into 4 parts. In this manner, we splitted the upper jaw and lower jaw. This is the 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Write down the formula. 2, 1, 2, 3. Same this side also. 2, 1, 2, 3. This is the dental formula. Next, 2, 1, 2, 3. Here also. 2, 1, 2, 3. Incisor, canine, premolar, molar. Incisor, canine, premolar and molar. So this you remember. Next, write down the teeth. Represent the teeth. Simple logic. Simple logic. How many incisors here? 2. This side how many? 2 incisor. Here how many incisors? 2. Here this side how many incisors? 2. Total incisors here 4. Total incisor 4. 4 plus 4 8. 8 are incisors. Next, let's represent the canines. How many canines that is present here? 1 canine and this side 1 canine and here 1 canine and here 1 canine teeth. After canines what? Premolars. How many premolars? The premolars are 2 in each part. Premolar number. These are the 2 premolars. These are the 2 premolars. These are the two premolars. After premolars what? Molars. Yes, how many molar it is having? 1 part, 3. This is the first molar and this is the second molar and here there is a presence of third molar teeth. This third molar teeth we call it as wisdom teeth. The third molar teeth we call it as wisdom teeth. Same like that only here also. First molar, second molar, third molar. This is the third molar. Let me shade, highlight this. This is the third molar. Next, first molar, second molar and this is the third molar. The third molar name is what? Wisdom teeth. First molar, second molar and third molar. And the name of the third molar is what? Wisdom teeth. And this wisdom, so how many number of third molars are present here? The total number of third molars are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 third molars is also called wisdom teeth and these wisdom teeth we will see only in the adult. In child it is absent, in adolescence it is absent, in adult it is present only after 21 years. You can feel that pain when when you getting the wisdom teeth. There is a severe pain in the jaws which is getting in these places. Total 4 wisdom teeth. Wisdom teeth is which molar? Third molar. So now you multiply. What is the dental formula for an adult? 2, 1, 2, 3. Just you have to multiply it with what? You have to multiply it with 4. Yes, when you multiply it with 4, what you are getting? 4 2s are 8. These 8 are what teeth? First type of teeth, incisors. Next 4 1s are what? 4. These are what? Canines. 4 2s are what? 8. These are what? Premolars. Next 4 3s are what? 12. These are what? Molars. So now you add all the teeth. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. 20 plus 12, 32 teeth. 32 teeth. See, now you compare. Let me write here. In child, here I have written. In child, 4 2s are 8. These 8 are what? Incisor. Next 4 1s are what? 4. These are what? Canine. Now you compare. Incisors in child is 8. Incisor in adolescence is 8. Incisors in adults also 8. Canine in child 4. Canine in adolescence 4. Here also 4. Now you go for the premolars. The number of 400. The number of premolars in child is 0. The number of premolars in adolescence is 8. And the number of premolars in adult is 8. So, the premolars are same in adolescence and adult, but they are absent in child. Next you go for the molars. How many number of molars the child having? Just 4 2s are 8 na. So, 8 molars. So, molar in child how many? 8. Molar in adolescence how many? 8. So, the number of molars in child and adolescence is same, but the number of molars in adult is 12. So how many additional teeth, additional molar teeth is present in adult? 4. That 4 molars we call them as third molar, and the third molar another name is wisdom teeth. So wisdom teeth is only seen in adult, which is absent in child and adolescence. Premolars are present in adolescence and adult, but they are absent in child. So in child, premolars are absent. So how many premolars the child having? 8. So total, premolars are absent. Generally, how many premolars? 8. So those 8 teeth are absent. Next, in child, third molar is absent. Third molar teeth is absent. How many number of third molar teeth? 4. So 8 plus 4, how many? 12. So child doesn't contain how many number of teeth? Child doesn't contain 12 teeth. Because of that, only 32 minus 12 is equal to how much? 20. Where the child contain only 20 teeth. That's all. Next, you come here. In adolescence, 28 teeth are present. So total number of teeth absent how many? 4. Those 4 teeth are what teeth? Third molar teeth. So wisdom teeth means in child, premolars and wisdom teeth is absent. 8 plus 4. In adolescence, only wisdom teeth is absent or only third molar is absent in adolescence. That you remember. These 12 teeth out of 12, these 12 teeth out of 12, 8 are premolars and remaining 4 are molars. These 12 teeth we will get only one time. So these teeth we call them as monophyodont teeth. Yes, how many teeth we are getting only one time? 12 teeth. Out of 12, 8 are premolars and 4 are third molar. You should not say molar. Why? Because first molar, second molar is present in here, here and here. Third molar you should mention. And another name for third molar is wisdom teeth. So out of 32 teeth, 12 teeth you will get only one time. So those are monophyodont teeth. And remaining 20 teeth you are getting twice. First you will get milk teeth. Those milk teeth is fallen off and they are replaced by the permanent teeth or adult teeth. So 20 teeth are diphyodont and 12 teeth are monophyodont. What are the monophyodont? Premolars and third molar. You should not say it is a molar. We have to particularly mention that is the third molar, or simply you can write it as wisdom teeth. So fine. And the teeth is made up of two substances. Teeth is made up of two substances. Substance number one is dentine. Teeth is made up of a substance which is called dentine. Yes. For example, this is the structure of the teeth. Like this it will be present. It is present like this. This is the structure of the tooth in this manner. All this material is made up of a dentine. And this dentine is secreted from a specialized cell. This dentine is secreted from a specialized cell. The cell which is secreting the dentine, that cell name is odontoblast. Odontoblast cell. The odontoblast cell is secreting the dentine. Now, this upper part is called a crown. It is having a root, neck and a crown. Maximum part is covered with the gums. All this is the gums. We are unable to see. All this is the gum. Our teeth are protected in the socket now. All this is the gum. This is the part that what we can able to see. This part which can able to see, that part we call it as a crown. C-R-O-W-N. Crown. So this crown is covered with the hardest substance in the human being. The hardest substance in the human being which is covering the crown part of the teeth, that we call it as enamel. In this manner, there is a presence of enamel which is covering the dentine. This is enamel, which is the hardest substance. This is enamel, the hardest substance in the human being. And this enamel is secreted by which cell, sir? This enamel is secreted by a cell. The cell name is amyloblast. Amyloblast. Important, these two. So, dentine is secreted from odontoblast cell, and the enamel means the color of the dentine. One more thing. The color of the dentine is white color. And this dentine is covered with the hardest substance which is called enamel, and this enamel is secreted from amyloblast. And the color of the enamel is yellow color. The color of enamel is yellow color. So what I can say is, a light yellow color teeth are stronger teeth when compared with white teeth. We all believe that, okay, if we are having a white teeth means our teeth are very healthy and strong. But it is wrong. If you are having a very white teeth means on that teeth enamel coat is absent. If enamel coat is absent, your teeth are not strong. Why? Because enamel is the hardest substance. Light yellow color teeth are stronger and healthy teeth. The light yellow color appearance because of enamel which is secreted from amyloblast cell. This is about the teeth of the human being. This is the kid's jaw, adolescent's jaw, and this is the adult jaw. Where the jaws are completely splitted. Now what you have to do? Just simply closing the jaws. Just close the jaw and just close the jaw and close the jaw. Yes, this is about the dental formula. And the next concept is layers of alimentary canal. Let's discuss about layers that we will see in the wall of alimentary canal. Yes, what are those layers? Let's see. Layer of alimentary canal. As of we already discussed in the previous lecture regarding alimentary canal. Alimentary canal starts from anterior opening mouth. Mouth leads to the posterior opening. Posterior opening is what? Anus. Posterior opening is what? Anus. Now let's see. Esophagus. Let me draw the alimentary canal somewhat quick. Okay. Now this is the esophagus, a long tube. Esophagus followed by the J-shaped organ, the stomach, and this is followed by the small intestine, duodenum, and next one there is a presence of jejunum, and next there is a presence of ileum. And ileum is followed by the first part of large intestine, cecum. Cecum leads to the ascending colon, like this ascending colon. Ascending colon to transverse colon. transverse colon to descending colon, descending colon to sigmoid colon to rectum, rectum is posterior routing anus. This is the rough diagram of alimentary canal. Now let's see what is this wall of alimentary canal. Now remember, this is the wall of the alimentary canal. This layer is the wall of alimentary canal. Actually it is appearing like a single layer, but actually it is not a single layer. That wall is not made up of a single layer. This wall is made up of 4 layers. 4 layers. So from esophagus to rectum, esophagus to up to rectum, the wall of alimentary canal is made up of how many layers? 4 layers are present. But all 4 layers are what happened? Fused. Because of fusion of all those 4 layers are appearing like one layer. So let's discuss those 4 layers. What are those 4 layers, sir? What are those 4 layers? First, let me discuss about the esophagus. This is the esophagus. And the opening of esophagus is opening into the pharynx. This opening is called gullet. G-U-L-L-E-T. Gullet. That opening is called what? Gullet. Now let's discuss about this esophagus only. Why? Because the layers are starting from esophagus and they are continuing up to where? Rectum. So one by one, let's see about esophagus. Yeah. What are the layers? I told that 4 layers are present. The first outer layer is serosa. Serosa is followed by muscularis layer. And here muscularis, our muscles are 2 types of muscles will be present in the muscularis layer. What are the 2 types of muscle? Number 1 is outer muscle. That outer muscle is longitudinal muscle. And outer muscle after inner muscle. That inner muscle is called circular muscle. Lot of students are going to confuse. No need of confusion. See, outer layer is what? Serosa. Serosa followed by muscularis. Here muscularis, 2 types of muscles will be present. Outer muscularis, inner muscularis. Outer muscularis is made up of longitudinal muscle. How to remember this? Outer spelling starting with what? O. In longitudinal, what is the second letter? O. You remember it like this. Outer is longitudinal muscle. And next, inner muscle is what muscle? Inner spelling starting with what? I. Inner is circular muscle. In circular muscle, what is the second letter? I. You remember it like that. Outer is longitudinal. Inner is circular muscle. Circular, I is present. So it is a inside. Next, longitudinal, O is present. So it is outer. So muscularis. Muscularis is followed by the third layer, which is called submucosa. And submucosa is followed by the last layer, innermost layer, which is called mucosa. These are the 4 layers that is present in the wall of alimentary canal. Serosa, muscularis, followed by submucosa, followed by mucosa. Now let's make the diagram of only esophagus, wall of esophagus. Yes, as of I told that, what is the first layer? Outermost layer is what? Serosa. This is the serosa layer. I am drawing only the esophagus. Serosa layer. Serosa is followed by the which layer? Muscularis. Yes, muscularis. In muscularis, how many types of muscles are there? 2 types. So, first type of muscle is longitudinal muscle. This is the longitudinal muscle which I am representing. Black color is serosa and the red color is muscularis. Which muscle is this? Means outer longitudinal muscle. In this manner, there is a presence of outer longitudinal muscle. This is outer longitudinal. After longitudinal muscle, what? Circular muscle, which is inside. So let me represent in different. Yeah, in dots I am representing this. This is the circular muscle. So total longitudinal muscle and circular muscle that comes under which layer? Muscularis. Muscularis is followed by submucosa. Yes, here there is a presence of submucosa. This is the submucosa layer. All this is submucosa. All this is submucosa. And here also, this is the submucosa layer. Submucosa layer. So circular muscle is in contact with the submucosa layer. Longitudinal muscle is in contact with the serosa. Longitudinal is contact with the serosa. And last and finally, the innermost layer which we call it as mucosa. This is the mucosa layer. This is the mucosa layer. Mucosa layer. So now this is the opening. What is the opening name is? The opening name of esophagus is called what? Gullet. In this manner there is a presence of openings will be present. This opening is what? Gullet. And here what is present? Pharynx is present. So what is this empty space? The empty space is lumen, where food will pass inside of this. Food will pass. So actually when you seeing the wall, it appears like one layer, but it is not made up of one layer. It is made up of like this. Serosa, muscularis, submucosa and mucosa. So mucosa is in direct contact with whom? Lumen. Mucosa is in direct contact with whom? Lumen. After esophagus, next is what? Stomach. What is the shape of the stomach? J shape. What is the another name for stomach? Gastric. Because of that only we say gastric problem.